In 1902, Willis Carrier invented something that has revolutionized the way in which we live, work and play. Modern air conditioning. Time magazine named him one of the 100 most influential people of the 20th century. Since then, Carrier's research, expertise and innovation have resulted in products that have led the market and defined the heating, air conditioning and refrigeration industry. Product excellence and committed customer service have made Carrier a global company that today serves millions of people and businesses in more than 170 countries. Carrier has a network of research and development centers and 71 manufacturing facilities around the world. With 2006 revenues of $13.5 billion, Carrier has approximately 41,000 employees worldwide. We make the world a better place to live by creating healthy, comfortable, productive environments regardless of climate. Our aim is to be our customers' first choice for heating, air conditioning and refrigeration solutions everywhere around the world. Carrier is a subsidiary of United Technologies Corporation, a global corporation of world-leading businesses with rich histories of technological pioneering. UTC businesses invented air conditioning and elevators, built the world's first working helicopter, developed the first commercially available hydrogen fuel cells, and designed complete life support systems for the space shuttle. We pursue 100% customer satisfaction by delivering top quality and reliable products, easily installed and maintained, and unparalleled service from quotation to delivery, including after-sales support and first-class commercial and technical training. Carrier has always been committed to making environmentally sound products that consume less energy and use innovative materials to minimize our effect on the planet. Our environmental stewardship has been recognized through prestigious awards, including the 2007 Best of the Best Stratospheric Ozone Protection Award from the US Environmental Protection Agency. Carrier's global projects list includes the White House, the Sistine Chapel, Munich International Airport, the Teatro Real in Madrid, the Kremlin Palace, Dusit Tower in Dubai, the Great Library of Alexandria, the British Museum, Sydney Opera House, Korean National Rail, and the Bellas Artes Museum in Buenos Aires. Carrier, the world's largest provider of heating, air conditioning and refrigeration solutions.